6 years ago, I was able to show Kel, Flying Kel on YouTube, a behind-the-scenes look of the Giant Lantern Festival. Here's a few clips from his vlog.
Hi guys, and this is the friend that I'm meeting here in San Fernando. His name is Jazz, so we have Broski Jazz, of course, and I call him Filipino Jazz. So he's gonna tour me around.
Yeah, sure.
Let me tell you guys, they are giant. They're so big. So Jazz is taking me over there right now, and we're gonna look at the motors, right?
Yeah, the rotors.
The rotors.
The machines that control the lights.
They use their hands to do it, right?
Yeah, it's all manual.
All right, it's all manual, so we're gonna check that out. Some behind the scenes. Whoa, okay, guys. We are behind one of the giant lanterns, and there's literally an entire truck attached to one of them. That's crazy. These are the rotors?
They control it manually. It's like driving.
Wow.
See the wheel over here.
That's insane.
Yeah!
See?
No way. So he's turning that thing right now, and it's making the lights go on. Oh, these are the patterns for the lights during the show. Look at all that wiring, guys. That's so cool. To really get a good sense of how big these things are, check this out. I'll stand right next to it.
Now back to 2025. The Giant Lantern Festival showcases giant lanterns that are around 20 feet tall. On the day of the competition, 10 giant lanterns compete. But you can still watch the lanterns every day after the competition, till January 1st, New Year's Day. On certain days, some lanterns are transported to various locations within Pampanga. However, the remaining lanterns can still be viewed nightly at 6 p.m. at Robinson's Star Mills. The festival show consists of 3 parts. For the first part, the giant lanterns perform one by one. For the second part of the show, the giant lanterns are showcased by groups.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
pagpamalas.
The last part is the grand showdown of all the giant lanterns.
The traditional Ligligan Parul showdown. We shall be witnessing the spectacular lights and colors display in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.